Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Somebody asked me a question, and we're working in millimeters, and we put the paper size to A4, which I don't really understand what that is, or I always keep mine on my laser bed. But so this A4 is 210 millimeters by 297 millimeters. Now I know this might not help him because he just said, if he's cutting stickers, but how many 5-inch circle or 5 millimeter circles could he put across his page? So let's just get out a calculator. And the first one is 210 divided by, we're going to say 5.5 millimeters because you're going to need some space. So that you got 38 that'll fit in there. So I'm going to just hit the plus key. Now, I don't know if this would work for a sticker, but that way you could see that it's pretty close to the edge. You could actually move it over a little bit more. Select the two. I don't think this would work for a sticker, but we might look into that later. Go up to object and blend. We could say 38, but we've already got two, so we're going to go 36. And we placed them through there, and they've got space on all of them. Now, what I would strongly suggest is go ahead and take this and break the blend apart and see the middle group is still grouped. So you don't have to, but I would ungroup it. And then how many circles will fit? 297 divided by 5.5 is 54. It's even a good even amount. So let's just take the plus key, and I'm going to hold down the control button so they're getting perpendicular to the paper. And we could actually get a little bit lower, but let's just see if this works. And if you see, I have 38 objects. And I think it was 54. So we're going to, you know what we're going to do? We're going to group this, Control G, and we're going to select both these objects, and we're going to go 52 because we've already got the other ones. Now, that's a lot of circles, and they're all spaced out. Now the key is go up to object, break the blend apart. I would go up to object and break, ungroup all. And we have 2,052 circles on that sheet of paper. Now, for the one I'm doing it for, I know this system's not going to work, or I should not work because you can't really blend a sticker. But if you'll send me a design, and we'll, something you're going to not care about being on the internet, and see if we can't figure out another way. But that's a pretty good way because you're going to use Corel to count. I mean, that's 2,052 stickers or little 5-inch millimeter dots. I kind of hope that helped him a little bit. And thank you for watching.